The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq notched record high closes on Monday, lifted by Alphabet and other mega caps ahead of several earnings reports this week, while investors bet on potential trade deals to blunt economic damage from the Trump administration's global tariffs. Google parent Alphabet rallied ahead of its quarterly report on Wednesday. Tesla also reporting on Wednesday kick-off earnings from the so-called Magnificent Seven, and their results may set the tone for other heavyweight companies reporting in the next several days. Apple and Amazon each gained help lift the S&P 500. Verizon rallied after the telecommunications company boosted its annual profit forecast. Analysts on average expected S&P 500 companies to report a 6.7% increase in earnings for the second quarter, with big tech driving much of that gain.
Stock market today seems to be running on hopes that we get some moderation in tariffs and also that we've had decent earnings. Earnings are coming in okay. We're still very early in second quarter earnings season. Just about 12% of the S&P 500 is reported, but the bank earnings look to be pretty solid with good capital markets gains. And then we've had sporadically good news from some of the airlines as well as the telecommunication companies that activity is holding in there okay, and the market seems to be cheering that. Yeah, on the market side, we are still glass half full, and that really comes from one, a solid labor market. Two, corporate earnings are looking really fairly solid for the year. And three, inflation, even though it's elevated and may creep a little higher, is not threatening the consumer at this point. So we think this is an economy that can survive, and the markets appear to be doing that as well. So we may be heading into a bit of a stronger patch as we look down the road. Certainly there are risks, and we're concerned about them, but that consumer resilience, low unemployment rate, high wage growth are all helping this economy survive.